Guys, I had so much fun with Danny. It was so good seeing him. I hope he gets the panda. Oh my god, I could not stop laughing, you guys. He is so freaking funny. So I'm just packing up. I'm heading home. I just did an apartment at the Core Apartments. You guys, I am blown away by these apartments. I've done a few of their sister properties and honestly I'm just blown away by how these apartments are and just like where it's located. What's also so cool is that when you do sign a lease with them, they do give you this bag, because the shops like Smith's, Home Goods, TJ Maxx is literally 5-minute walk. So they give you that so you can just walk there, grab your stuff and go home. Alright guys, let's go home. Literally, it's massive, so you could have like this, like that. And it has like the wheels. Alright guys, so we just did some limes and some strawberries, and then I added some sugar, and then I'm gonna pair this with my soda water later on. But right now we're just kind of infusing it. Hey guys, so I'm just looking at my video that I just posted today. It's the Core Apartments here near like the Spring Valley area, like Durango, on Commons area. This was getting built when I lived at the Pace, so I'm just like surprised that there were apartments. At first I thought there were gonna be like shops underneath and then apartments, but it's actually like all apartments, which is pretty cool. But yeah, I like the way it came out. It's just every time like I do a voiceover, I feel, because I like to write what I say, and sometimes, I don't know, like my dyslexia comes out and then I'm just like, after I look at it, I'm just like, great, it came out. And I'm just like, just leave it, just leave it. I'm trying not to be in my head, but Richard always says, just leave it, it'll be fine. But yeah, it's sometimes so hard for me to read, and then like I always stumble. Like it's the worst. I wish I could show you how I film my apartment videos sometimes, because I get so frustrated and then I'm just like looking at the camera in silence. I'm like, get it right. I should have paid more attention in school. That's all. I literally say that all the time when I'm doing the voiceover. I'm like, fuck, I should have just stayed in school. Super annoying. Alright guys, so I'm so excited to announce that I am working with FabFitFun again for their autumn season, which is so cool because I want to show you the products that I got, and yeah, just tell you a little bit about the products. I love anything like skincare and anything that helps me, you know, carry a few things while I'm doing like apartment tours and stuff like that. So I want to show you what I picked and then let you know about the subscription, which I freaking love, especially nowadays when everything has gone extremely expensive. I love using products that work. So I have a bit of a taste to go to Sephora and Ulta and spend a little bit too much, but yeah, I've scaled back. So yeah, now that I have partnered up with FabFitFun, I get to have those amazing products that work and not have to spend like $90 for $100 on just one product. So let me show you what I got and then I'll tell you a little bit about the subscription. All right guys, so first off is they will send you this box. I love how FabFitFun sends the boxes because they always send boxes with different photos depending obviously on the season. For summer they did something different. Obviously this is going into fall now, so they do this beautiful like artwork, which I love. I hate throwing the boxes away because I just love the box itself. But yeah, let me show you the products. Okay, so the one that I chose was LMS. I haven't tried these before, but they are dynamic resurfacing facial pads, and this is how they look. And this product alone, you guys, is $65. And so with those pads, you guys, I did get their moisturizing cream. This is the LMS Pro Collagen Marine Cream. This one here, this is how this looks. All right guys, so alone, these two products are already ranging you $159 together. So it's insane, but yeah, I will never spend that on these two products ever. All right guys, and then my next product here, which I like because we are going to California soon. This is a lunchbox, but you can pretty much use it for anything, you guys. Like I've been using it to hold my cameras, my phone, every time that I've gone and done a video. Like an apartment video. I love how they have these little pockets at the end. You can put a bottle of water if you want, but for me, I end up putting like my cameras or like a battery pack. So I know that they will be safe in there just because it does have this like elastic band that closes. I love how this bag is not too small and not too big, so you can pretty much carry anything, but it is a lunchbox. So even if you go to work or you're going to a little picnic or something, you can definitely put in your food, your drinks, and it will keep it cool. It also has a side pocket as well, you guys, and this is the brand Modern Picnic, and this alone is $40, you guys. All right guys, so the next one is this Thrive Cosmetics Lamination Lifting Brow Gel. Now I've actually tried their products before. I actually love their mascara line. I think that my eyelashes literally pop up. So yeah, I love this one, but this is for your brows and it does come like that. And it just lifts your like little hairs that are like kind of going down. Mine go down, which I hate. So I need stuff to lift them and keep them up. So this one is perfect for lifting up my brows, and this alone, you guys, is $26. Alright guys, so the next product that I chose is another skincare, which I absolutely love, and this is by the company Volition. Hopefully I'm saying that right, but it is the Chocolate Macadamia Hydrating Mask, and this does have hyaluronic acid and it is vegan collagen. It's safe science, cruelty free, and it is vegan. This one I will probably use like, you know, before I go to sleep, like when I do my regiment, and this one alone, you guys, is $47. So I cannot wait to use it because it says chocolate macadamia. So I love chocolate, so yeah, hopefully it tastes like it. I won't eat it, but yeah, hopefully it smells like it, I should say. And the last one, you guys, is actually one of my favorites. I have used a sample when I've gone to Sephora and I really loved the smell. So I was really happy that they had this on their product line, and yeah, I got the Rare Beauty Fine Comfort Hydrating Body Lotion. This alone, you guys, it is $28. I don't think I'll be okay spending $28 on cream. I normally go to like TJ Maxx to get my creams for my body, and they normally run around $10. So I was really happy to get my hands on this because I just love the smell, you guys. It is just delicious. It is a 250 mils, 8.45 ounces. So, and it smells so good. So you guys, all this, you guys, if I was to buy this at a store, like by itself, all of this came up to $300. $300. I would not pay that. Let me just tell you right now. I would not pay $300 for all the things that I just showed you, like at a store, like single store, like Sephora, Ulta, Target. I would not pay that much, you guys. That's insane. So you guys, if you like any of the products that you saw that I chose and you want to choose them for yourself, again, this alone is $300, you guys, and I got my box for $63.99. Again, use the code and that is going to be your box. That is how much you're going to spend, you guys, which is insane. Because hello, I would choose the 63 over the 300 any day. Okay guys, so that was my FabFitFun products. I got 6 products, which again, I will use on a daily basis. I love them because they are skincare and makeup, which again, I love. But they also do have like cups, you guys, mugs. They've got jumpers, they have clothing, you know, so it's different for everybody, right? So I, again, love skincare, makeup, and that's why I choose that. All right guys, so as a member, you get exclusive access to flash sales that are up to 70% off. Brands like Prada, Glossier, Free People, Coach, Fenty Beauty, and so much more. So if you, let's say you want a little bit of more flexibility, you can totally swap your box for store credit, which is pretty cool. And you can shop anything on their site. All right guys, so FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription where you get 6 full-size products from top brands that you love for beauty, home, and fitness. And what I love about FabFitFun, you guys, is that you get to choose everything that is inside your box. So you can customize it for your lifestyle. Again, I do, I do apartment tours and stuff like that. So I wanted to get this bag. That way I can fit everything like my cameras, my setup, my phone, and water as well. So yeah, it fits my lifestyle, which is skincare, makeup, and a few other things like for my eyebrows and a bag as well. So it fits my lifestyle, but you get to choose what fits your lifestyle, which I love. So the box is not just set for you, you can actually customize it, which again, that's why I love FabFitFun. So some brands that I've seen in my box is like Fenty Beauty, Glossier, Coach, with a total value of $350. I picked the LMS Pro Collagen Marine Cream, you guys, which alone retails $94, which is more than what I paid for the box. There are so many good options, you guys, to choose from. I also chose this one, which alone is $65. Insane. And this is the LMS Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads. So if you want to do an annual or season subscription, you guys, it's all going to be down below in the bottom bar, and that way you guys can have your full products like I have. Thank you again to FabFitFun for working with me. I absolutely love you guys. I love the products. I think that this is an amazing box. I have tried other subscription, you guys, and honestly, I'm just so in love with FabFitFun just because of their products. They don't go cheap on their products at all, and they actually, you know, they actually work. I tried this one today and I feel like my makeup just went smoothly on my skin. So again, I just want to say thank you to FabFitFun for collaborating with me again. I cannot wait for winter one because I love winter stuff. But thank you again to FabFitFun. I'm gonna go and put this in my little section of the room. That way I have all my products together.